All right, we've got these 10 bandana face coverings / neck gaiters. These things are really nice. As you can see, I'm wearing, this is one way of wearing it right now. You want to wear it to cover your face, cover your mouth. Maybe you're in a dusty environment. You don't want to breathe whatever you're breathing in. You don't want to breathe it that way. Let me just take it off really quick. There's so many different ways of wearing it, but I just want to give you a full vibe. So there's 10 of them. There's a total of 10 of them. There's 9 here. Here's the one I'm using right now. And you can see they're different. They're sort of different designs, different colors, camouflage-y type vibes. But it's a thin material. It's a stretchy. It's got a bit of a stretch to it, as you can see right there, the stretchiness. But it fits right over your face. And so let me just actually get on, show you. So as I did in the beginning, this is one way of wearing it right here, like this, where you're covering your mouth and your nose, and it's covering your neck. Or you can even just bring it down here, maybe when you no longer need it or whatever, you just want to wear it. Maybe there's just a style vibe with it on your neck. Then you've also got the headband vibe. You just bring it up here as a headband, which I think would come in handy maybe like during a really hard workout. You're sweating a lot. You don't want to get sweat in your eyes, which I'm going to be using that for. Then you've also got, you can bring it back where it has more of a bandana vibe, where it's like that. So that's pretty sweet. But I mean, there's all sorts of different ways, different things you can do with it. But the thing I love about it that's better than a bandana is you don't need to tie it or anything. It's just, it fits right over. It's just already, it's good. Like this thing is, I really like this. So highly recommend.